Within each decoration process, there are availability rules. So if we come into screen printing availability, we can control if a process is available only in Business Hub or if it's available in Business Hub and websites. Not only that, we can also control what stores this decoration process is available in. So maybe we only want screen printing, for example, to be available to this Zach Clone site. Well, we're going to allow it and then we're going to not allow it. So the global setting is going to be no websites get to use screen printing by default. We will add a store group or individual stores and set that availability rule here. So just go into a decoration process, go into availability, and essentially set the availability rule so we can control where a decoration process is available throughout the software.